Cafe Racer by Natal. Stunning, stunning drum kit. I gotta say, this is the, as I mentioned in other videos, this is the birch and elm. Elm has got anti-splitting properties in it, and birch has an anti-shock property to it, as two hardwoods, sustainable hardwoods, and they're used in things like furniture and different industries because of those qualities. So when you combine them, 7-ply, in a natural finish like this, absolutely stunning. Because wood grains on drums always look so pretty. There's a debate in my mind, do sparkles look better or does natural wood? But I love wood, I must admit. I have always had a fascination with wood. It's probably one of the most beautiful products that exist on the planet. What an amazing, amazing product it is. So an 18-inch bass drum. It's really nice, it's dry, but it's got a really lovely deep feel to it. 20-inch bass drum. Oh, lovely, and the 22 Classic. Beautiful. So we use rubber-ended sticks, by the way, just to let you know, because this is all brand new. We don't want stick marks on there. And the beauty of these, they don't mark. So when we tune up, for an example, a kit for somebody, help them out, or a snare drum, I always use them, because then they will set up the kit here, we put all new heads on there for them, etc., and then they go away and the heads are still immaculate, they're not touched, rather than me hitting them to try them out, and the customer says, oh, I like that sound, they go home and they marked. So there we are. 8, 10, 12, this will be a 13, it's a 12 at the minute, 14, 16, 18. Oh, it's just lovely.